Panel schedules allow the system to automate certain functions. Arming and disarming, locking and unlocking doors, and time-restricted access are all made possible through the use of schedules. Open the Configuration menu and select Panel Schedules. This opens the Panel Schedules window. Next, click the Add button to create a new schedule. Give the schedule a name and select the appropriate usage type for your panel. For XR150 or XR550 panels, select Time Schedule. Enter the start and end time for each day of the week this schedule will be active. Entré uses a 24-hour clock for time entry. If the schedule will end the following morning, select the appropriate day of the week from the End Day drop-down menu. Enter holiday times in the Holiday A, B, and C fields. A calendar must be created for the holiday times to take effect. Finally, click Save and Close to finish creating the schedule. Now that the schedule has been created, it can be used in many different system functions. For automatic arming or disarming, the schedule should be assigned to an area. Open the Configuration menu, select Hardware, then Hardware Tree. Expand the system and locate an area that will follow this schedule. Right-click the area, select Edit, then Area Schedules. Click the Add button, assign a schedule number, and select the schedule to be assigned to this area. Click Save and Close to finish working with this area. Auto-arming or auto-disarming must be enabled for the system to follow the schedule. If the schedule will be used to lock and unlock a door, locate the desired door in the hardware tree, right-click and select Edit, then Door Schedules. Click the Add button, assign a schedule number, and select the schedule to be assigned to this door. Click Save and Close to finish working with the door. Schedules can be applied to system outputs as well. Entré can be used to manage many systems at once. This means that any schedule you create can be assigned to one or more systems very quickly. For more training videos and information about Entré, go to dmp.com.